Can you cancel ChatGPT Plus without losing your history? So yes, you can cancel ChatGPT Plus without losing your history. Your past conversations remain saved. Your account simply moves to the free plan and you keep Plus features until your billing cycle ends. Now to cancel your plan, if you have subscribed it through the chat only, just go to one of your web browser, for example Google Chrome or Safari, then navigate to ChatGPT.com and then log into your account. Once logged in, tap the two-line menu in the top left, then tap on your profile name at the bottom, then tap on settings from the menu. Now scroll through the menu at the top and then go to billing. Since I don't have any subscription for ChatGPT, so you won't be able to see it here. Now once you go to billing or manage my subscription, you will see cancel plan button. If you have subscribed for it, simply tap on it. Now if you have subscribed it through your iPhone or iPad, go to settings, tap on your name, scroll down and then go to subscriptions. Now since I don't have any subscription, so you won't be able to see it here, and then tap cancel subscription. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.